If you're building a white-themed PC and want the perfect case to match your setup, this video is for you. I've ranked 5 of the best white PC cases from budget-friendly options to top-tier airflow monsters. So stick around to find out the one that's right for you. Let's kick off this list with the Thermaltake S100 Snow Edition, sitting in 5th place. This one's a compact micro ATX case that's designed to save desk space while still offering a clean, modern look with its tempered glass side panel. It's a great pick if you're working with a small form factor build and don't need a ton of components. The S100 comes with decent internal space for a micro ATX case, including support for a 240 or 280mm radiator up top or in the front, and up for 4 drive bays. It includes a pre-installed 120mm fan at the back and a PSU shroud for tiny cable management. The side panel is hinged for easy access, which is a nice touch, especially at this price point. But here's the trade-off. Because it's compact, you're limited to shorter graphics cards, just 13 inches max. And also, you won't find a USB Type-C port on the front I/O, which feels a bit dated these days. And with only one pre-installed fan and tight airflow space, it might run hotter than the larger cases on this list. If you're building a minimalist PC with basic gaming or home office tasks in mind, and you want something clean and space-saving, this is a solid pick. For those of you looking for bigger GPUs or better cooling, keep watching. And hey, if you want the best prices on all the cases in this video, check out the links in the description below. Next up in 4th place is the NZXT H6 Flow RGB. This case is all about style, airflow, and convenience. It features a unique dual-chamber layout with a panoramic glass front that shows off your hardware from multiple angles. It's compact, but cleverly designed to look much more spacious. Now, let's talk features. The H6 comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans mounted at an angle to improve both aesthetics and cooling efficiency. You also get support for a top-mounted 360mm radiator, which is pretty impressive given the size of the case. The layout is optimized to hide cables and keep your build looking super clean out of the box. But like any case, it has its drawbacks. Storage is limited. You get just 2 SSD slots and 1 for a hard drive. Also, there's no rear fan included, so you may want to pick up an extra for exhaust to balance out that front airflow. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you're building a higher-end setup. This is a great choice for anyone who wants a sleek, modern build without going full tower. It's perfect for RGB lovers and first-time builders alike. And before we move on, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more great gear reviews just like this one. In 3rd place, we've got the MSI MAG Pano 100L PZ, a case designed with modern cable management in mind. This one's all about that ultra-clean look, thanks to support for back connect motherboards and that gorgeous 270-degree panoramic glass panel. If you're into showcasing your hardware from every angle, this one's definitely worth a look. Inside, it's loaded with flexibility. You can mount up to 3 360mm radiators at the top, side, or bottom, which is almost unheard of at this price point. The internal layout is super open, giving you room for up to 10 fans, long GPUs, and tall CPU coolers. It's built for performance and presentation, whether you're going with air cooling or full custom water loops. Now, the downsides. You don't get any fans included out of the box, which is a bit of a bummer. It's not a deal breaker, but it does mean you'll need to budget for additional cooling. Also, the bottom magnetic dust filter is a little tricky to remove, which could get annoying if you're cleaning often. Overall, this case hits a sweet spot between aesthetics and airflow options, especially if you're planning a high-performance build with clean cable management. It's a middle ground choice that balances form and function beautifully. Coming in second is the Darkflash DY470, and this one packs a serious punch for builders who want a statement piece. With not just 2 but 3 ultra-transparent glass panels, this case delivers a stunning 330-degree view of your build. It's large, feature-rich, and feels like a flagship chassis at a mid-range price. What makes the DY470 stand out is its support for both horizontal and vertical GPU mounting, a GPU support bracket to prevent sagging, and room for two massive 360mm radiators. Whether you're going with traditional airflow or full custom liquid cooling, this case can take it. It also supports back connect ATX motherboard, so you can keep your cabling as hidden as possible. Now, while it nails the visual and thermal design, there are a couple of trade-offs. It only has one SSD bay, which might be limiting if you're planning a storage-heavy setup. And if you want to go vertical with your GPU, you'll need to buy that mounting kit separately. It's not included in the box. For those of you looking to make a visual impact and want maximum cooling performance without spending a fortune, the DY470 should absolutely be on your shortlist. And finally, taking the top spot, our number one pick is the Corsair 5000D RGB Airflow. If you're after the ultimate white PC case that checks every single box, looks, cooling, space, and ease of use, this is the one to beat. It's built like a tank, but with premium features that make building inside it an absolute joy. What sets it apart? For starters, it comes with 3 high-performance RGB fans right out of the box, all hooked up to Corsair's IQ lighting control. The airflow is phenomenal thanks to the steel mesh front and side panels, and the interior is wide open for anything from beefy GPUs to full liquid cooling setups. With room for radiators on 3 sides, you can build pretty much whatever you want inside here. Now, the only real downside is the size and the price. It's one of the bulkier cases on the list, so make sure you have the space for it. And yeah, it's on the pricier side, but honestly, for what you're getting, it's totally worth it. If you want the best of the best and you're not afraid to go big, the Corsair 5000D RGB Airflow is a powerhouse that delivers on all fronts. There you have it, our roundup of the best white PC cases you can buy right now. If one of these caught your eye, don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best deals available. And hey, if this video helped you out, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more awesome PC gear reviews. Catch you in the next one.